Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Preeti She's and I am Preeti. Well, do you remember the brand Saturn by GHC that we talked about few days back and how amazing their glow serum was? Well, I thought why not giving it another shot and trying out another serum. Well, I am trying this anti-aging serum that has two amazing tools with that. So this is a combo and I thought everything that comes with something else I absolutely love them. So this is like two tools, one is gua sha and another is the jade roller, and both of them are amazing. Like the quality and everything are amazing, the color is also amazing. So let's talk about the serum first, because this is more important because it is going inside your skin. Well, the ingredients it has is amazing. Like it has retinol that helps to prevent the wrinkles, or somebody who has like crossed the 25 of their age. I think this is very important to use because this skin or the under eye area is something that will catch the wrinkles at first. So this is very, very important, and also it has hyaluronic acid. I cannot tell more about it because hyaluronic acid is something that is very, very beneficial for your skin. So it has more ingredients we'll talk about, but let's first see how to use it. So I want to show you guys the consistency of this product. It's very lightweighted, and easy to use. You just have to apply it directly on your face and then dab, and it should be completely absorbed to your skin. So it also has vitamin C that is very beneficial for the inside glow to your skin. The retinol, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid is very good for your tightening of your skin and plumping of your skin. Also, it has some benefits that goes inside your skin and heals your skin from inside. So I am gifting this to my mother because I got it for my mother, but the tools that are here, I want to show you how to use that. So the gua sha has a lot of curves into it. So I am attaching one picture here, you can see. So entire process of how to use it, it's there, so you can take a screenshot, and whenever you are using it, you can make sure that the angles are perfectly fine, because the curves that it has, it's very, very nice to uplift your skin. And always try to whenever you're using it, try to make sure that the pressure is not too much and you're always dragging it upwards, right? And this is so super easy to use because it's the roller. And here the small one is for the under eye, and you're always make sure that you are rolling it upwards, and this one is also always upward. So try to use minimum pressure, not too much, not too less, but this will work amazing on your skin. If you want to highlight your jawline, your nose, your under eye, you want to make it tight, it's amazing. So this is the product I wanted to talk to you about. If you want more discount, like 30% discount, you can go on the description, click the link and buy directly from there, because you're getting an offer there. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful to you, and if it was, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys are all well, and thank you so much for watching. Love you all.